Hi, I'm Rob Mosang, and this is a North Dakota blizzard. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of drifts around here. Right now I'm by Fargo, about 11 miles south, and my God, is it cold outside. Oh, jeez. As you can see, when the wind kicks up, it's not fun for anyone. So crunchy you can barely even feel my phone right now. Basically, what we got here was about 6 inches just this morning and last night also. As you can see, the road itself is pretty clear. That's because the maintainers come by on a regular basis. But biggest piles we got, just random snow. In some places it builds up more than others. For example, in front of the shop, in front of the house, and right over here by the wood piles. Now, you YouTube viewers, I know you guys have heard some about the North Dakota blizzards that have been going on lately, but this is an up-close and personal version. I'm going to show you how a real blizzard is in North Dakota. As you can see, the stuff we have to walk through, sometimes it can get up to our waist. But as of here, there's a midline right underneath this snow right here that has it was crusted over with some ice. We had a few really warm and then a cold day. Now, see up to right here, about my knees, and I'm standing about underneath my feet actually right now. There's about another foot of snow, and then it's the ground. But as you can see, up by Larry's grain bins over there, there's a huge drift that keeps one working its way and just forms something nastier and nastier as time goes by. This little part right here is just complete snow. The only way to walk through here, I'll get trapped. Watch. Oh, never mind, not as bad as I thought it was. But, holy crap, is it cold. I look like a snowman right now, I know. I just got done snow blowing. See, here's a prime example. Right now, about past that. And this is what I mean by a drift. Now, I know you guys are probably curious as to how much snow we normally get here a year. Well, back in 1967/19 or 1997, 1996, this whole area around here, everywhere in the Red River Valley, was completely flooded. This used to be way back before the whole plate tectonics and I forgot what it's called, but this whole continent was connected. This used to be Lake Agassiz, the world's largest freshwater lake. But again, that was way long ago during the Jurassic and Cretaceous period. But as you can see, it's nothing but a frickin' wasteland. It's really cold out though. My phone's probably going to quit working here pretty soon. But my gosh. Holy crap. I'll do a little bit of tour of the... Right now we're on about 3 acres of my Uncle Wayne's property. I gotta say, it's very, very intense. My God. See, there's a fine example of what you run into. I made a bad idea and I stepped right in a drift. Now, you guys that are in Florida, California, all those nice tropical areas, there is one thing that's good about North Dakota. Snowmobiling. Although the stuff right here is so powdery, you'll probably barely even get through half of it. For example, this last summer, or a couple of years ago during my birthday, which was right around March, we had a huge snowfall in Jamestown. And well, needless to say, I got carried away and I went to a field and I There's about 3 trees in that field, right? Well, snowmobile made a way of its own, and I hit a tree. Almost totaled the snowmobile. And the worst part is, it wasn't even mine. Now, I'm freezing up here. But there's a postal jeep. As you can see, that's where the ground is, right underneath it there. That's where the snow is. Anyways, here, I suppose it's getting... There we go. Well, I gotta say, North Dakota is a place where I've been born and raised my whole life. I went to Florida 1 year, but if you guys want to come here, this is the place to be. There's a lot of neat people, a lot of neat things to do. You're going to love it. Thanks. And till the next entry, this is Rob. Peace.